can sense that you've been through hell with this card today. That's what the Swords is all about. It's the mastery of knowing what you have to cut out. And the only way to know and have the wisdom of what you need to cut out is to go through it. There's no avoiding it. If you avoid it, you either miss the opportunity of the wisdom it has to bestow upon you, or it just keeps coming back until you finally get it. I assure you, it will reach you somehow. But I see he has this crown on his head that looks like an angel. And today I've been guided to talk about how angels are from hell. There's a famous biker gang called Hell's Angels. I'm not talking about them. I'm talking about how you have to climb out of hell to be given your wings so that you can fly far, far away from here. And I think that you may have been through a time, and you may still be going through a time where you feel like, is this ever going to gift me with some calm? But that also kind of terrifies you because you've gotten so used to the climb that you've now become the thing that needs to climb. You enjoy what wisdom your struggles gave you. And this is exactly what disrupts and removes and dissolves the obstacles that stood in your way in the first place. Kind of like water is persistent and it carves through rock. You, with your emotional integrity, kept going, and that cut through whatever was suggesting to you that you stop. So carry on.